Welcome to Arabic Kingdom. In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through the online registration process and creating a student account. First of all, select the account that best fits your need. For example, I will be creating a parent account. I will click on Select Plan. Then click on Add to Cart. Then proceed to checkout. In this screen, you will be asked to enter email information, username and password, then the billing information, and then it will take you to the PayPal payment method. Once you complete, review your order and check out with PayPal. Now I will take you to the login screen. So I'm going to log in. As soon as you log in, you will see the control panel. It has multiple tabs. First tab is the view profile. It would also give you some good information on how to get started. Edit profile, you can edit some of your information. Student is the screen where you can add a new student. So first thing, click on the student, then click Add Student. In this screen, you will be prompted to enter the student information. I'm going to select the level 3 and the gender. You can select between prince and princess. Then you can put the username and password. Click on Add Student. So now you have successfully added the student to your account. I will log out from the parent account and then I will attempt to log in into the student account. In the student account, you will be in the level that you have selected, and all the books are going to be displayed for the student to start reading. You have three options. The first icon, you'll be able to listen to the book. The second icon, you'll be able to read the book. And the third icon is for a small quiz at the end of each book. Also, you can click on the book itself and it will start with the listening to the book.
بيوت الحيوانات.
You can also click on the arrow here or simply drag the page.
العش بيت العصفور. الخلية بيت النحلة. الشباك بيت العنكبوت. الإسطبل بيت الحصان. الخم بيت الدجاجة. القرية بيت النملة. الكهف بيت الخفاش. الجحر بيت الفأر.
Once the student has completed reading the book, you can click on Read the Book. Here you'll have an option to record the voice by clicking on this button here. And once you are done reading the book, you can click on Stop to end the recording. So the recording is in progress. بيوت الحيوانات. العش بيت العصفور. الخلية بيت النحلة. الشباك بيت العنكبوت. الإسطبل بيت الحصان. الخم بيت الدجاجة. القرية بيت النملة. الكهف بيت الخفاش. الجحر بيت الفأر. Then click on Stop. And this will prompt you to the third step, which is taking the quiz. الإسطبل بيت الحصان. Then you select this picture. الخم بيت الدجاجة. بيت النحلة. الخلية بيت النحلة. الجحر بيت الفأر. بيوت جمع بيت. نعم أم لا. And then click on finish. And with this you have completed reading the book. Click on go home. And this will take you back to the main catalog. And you see here, all of these are in checkbox. And the student can continue reading the rest of the books. Once the student reads all the books, you can click on certificates and it will show you a certificate of completion. And it will open up the next level so they can automatically move to level 4 and so on. Thank you very much for listening and I hope you enjoy it.